Yeah. All right, guys. So we got the chicken going. Right now, I am inspired with a lot of African and Indian flavors we got going into this chicken. We have some Indian curry, a little turmeric, paprika, mega, which is also used in a lot of the African dishes. Also, I have some red chili peppers and complete seasoning to give it that nice, great flavor. Now, this chicken is really good, and a little coriander, which is inspired a lot in. We have a lot in Indian food. So here it goes. It's going up. I seared it, giving my family a taste of a different something. So there we go. Lovely. Look at that. So this chicken is going. Probably another like 5 minutes. I'm gonna let this go. Because I need it to brown. I want it to brown on all sides. So all of that at the bottom, I'm gonna need that because it's gonna be sauce. So this is browning, and as it's browning, I have my oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stick it in the oven to finish off. We just wanted to make sure it was nice and seared on all sides. It is pan seared, absolutely wonderful, absolutely delicious. It's gonna be great, and it's gonna taste amazing. It's gonna taste absolutely amazing. All right, so we got this going. So I had a couple of pieces. As you can see, my oven just preheated on up to 350. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out this chicken, and I'm gonna put my chicken onto my sheet pan here. So we're gonna just get this all lined up on here. Good. Nice and good. Alright. Take these pieces out. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. I love beautiful food. I love the colors. I like my food to be pretty. And I like my food to be pretty and taste good. It can't just look good. It has to taste good. So my Instagram page is Alicia, Chef Alicia, Eat to Live. Look me up. This is great. This is great. This is so good. Alright, so we're going to take this chicken out. Bree, can you come in for a second? Can you hold this? I'll take this out. I'm going to burn my hand. So this right here for me. Let me see it. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm going to take this chicken on out. Nice and hot. Hot stuff. And turn it down just a little bit. Boom, bada bing. Look at that. Sexy. Look at that crackle. Look at the crackle. Alright. Sexy. So you see that sizzle, you see that crackle, you see that all that love and that flavor in there. That's what you call love. That's what you call love. You see that? You see that? It's called love. The chicken is gonna be absolutely amazing. Also, our side is gonna be the jasmine rice. Served absolutely wonderfully. So what I'm gonna do, I'll add a little more oil to the pan, just a little bit. Bam. You want to get all that loveliness on the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna take my spatula and I'm gonna grip all of this up. I need all of that. It's not burnt. It's nice and brown. Nice and yummy. All the flavors, all the pepper, all the onion and bell pepper. It's cooked very well. Alright, we need all of that for our sauce. So don't kill any of this. This is good. Now if it would have burned, it would have been no good. But then done. I need all that. Be very careful because your pan is hot. It is popping just a little bit, not too much. I like to rotate my pan. I don't know how the gas starts. I have an electric stove. So it tends to be a little favoritism in this pan on one side, but that's okay. When you learn your pan, when you learn your stove, you can do anything. Again, I'm going to line this up. I'm going to let you know this. That's frying up in the chicken grease. I'm going to use all of that. Some of that is not of use to me. Get all of that. Make sure that chicken gets all that goodness. All that goodness. So, got that going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. And then complete that process all the way around. This chicken is ready. Yummy. So we're gonna go ahead and take the rest of this out. Okay. This is gonna cook in the oven for about 15 minutes. Because it did get pre-cooked. Not all the way, so it's not cooked all the way through. It's gonna freeze it off, so I won't need to use it. In the oven at 350